In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp message not sending or receiving. If your chats are stuck on a single check mark or you are not getting new messages, don't worry. We will walk through quick, reliable fixes that solve the most common connection and app issues. And I'll explain why each one helps so you can feel confident as you go. Start by making sure your internet connection is active and strong. Check that Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on, and look for a solid signal indicator. A weak or unstable connection is the most frequent cause of messages not sending or arriving in real time. If everything looks fine, toggle your connection to refresh it. Turn Wi-Fi off and back on, or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and wait a few seconds before trying WhatsApp again. This forces your phone to request a fresh network route, which often clears brief hiccups. Next, toggle airplane mode. Turn it on. Wait a full 10 seconds. Then turn it off. This resets the cellular and Wi-Fi radios and can quickly resolve problems where your device is technically connected but not exchanging data properly. If messages still won't go through, restart your device. A simple reboot clears temporary glitches. Restarts background services WhatsApp depends on and gives the network stack a clean slate. After that, update WhatsApp to the latest version on Android. Use the Google Play Store on iPhone. Use the Apple App Store. Updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements that directly address sending and receiving problems. On Android, it also helps to clear the app cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, find WhatsApp, open Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can interfere with performance without deleting your chats. Avoid tapping Clear Data, which would sign you out and erase local app settings. On iPhone, you can offload the app to refresh its components without losing your chats. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, select WhatsApp, and choose Offload App. Offloading removes the app itself but keeps its documents and data, so you retain your information when the app is restored. If the issue is only with certain contacts, double-check their number is saved in the correct international format. Include the plus sign, the country code, and the full number. And remove any leading zeros or extra prefixes that don't belong in international format. Try these steps in order and test WhatsApp after each change.